Hey guys, Alec.miles here with Exp Realty, your smart Alec realtor going the extra miles. And today I'm pleased to present to you 152 Waterloo Street. Now, I'm talking to you investors out there. This is a 2-unit duplex in the heart of Soho, downtown London. You guys have got to see this beautifully renovated unit. Come on, let's go check it out. Welcome to Unit 1, guys. Top to bottom renovated. Beautiful granite countertops, pot lights. You've got 1 bedroom, 1 den, and a fully finished bathroom. Go check this unit out. Welcome to Unit 2, guys. Here we've got 2 bedrooms. Again, fully renovated kitchen, top to bottom. New flooring, new bathroom, new bedrooms. This is just a great unit and an excellent investment opportunity for you investors out there. Check it out.